Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. You may have heard before about fake tech support scams. Usually a fraudulent warning pops up on your computer screen instructing you to call a number to have malware removed. On the other end of the call is a scammer trying to remotely access your computer and steal your personal information or banking details. Cyber criminals have added a new twist to this tech support scheme that makes it easier to trick the victims. The scam works by sending fake subscription emails to potential victims. The emails usually involve some bogus trial period about to expire or to inform you that you are being billed for a service. The right thing to do would be to delete the email and block the sender, but curiosity can sometimes get the better of us. The email contains a number that you can call if you want to cancel the supposed service or stop being billed for a service you never signed up for. If you call the number, a support technician will listen to your concerns regarding the message and ask for the customer ID cited in the email. Things can get a bit tricky from here. If you give them a customer ID number, the scammer will instruct you to visit a specific website to fill in cancellation forms. The problem is that the website they ask you to visit is completely fake. Reports suggest that there are as many as 5 different sites and all are professionally designed. If red flags haven't gone off yet, the next step would surely indicate the scam is afoot. The scammer will stay on the line with you, instructing you to sign up on the website. Once that is done, they insist that you download Microsoft Excel spreadsheet or Word document to sign. Once you open that document, your computer will be infected with malware. It's a really nasty piece of malware as well. It installs more malware the longer it sits on your computer. Common sense is the best tool you have in fighting off these kinds of scams. Remember, if you didn't sign up for a service and they're claiming that you did, just delete the email. It's a scam. If you have opened one of these emails and think that your computer may be infected with malware, call us today and sign up with our Larry on Guard malware protection service.